There are many different credit cards out there that offer rewards and benefits. If you're looking for cash back, travel rewards, or anything in between, I've got some options for you. With an array of different credit cards to choose from, it can be overwhelming to find one that works best for the iPhone 13. When you're making a big purchase like this, you have to make sure you consider your best payment option, but let's just assume you saved all your money and you're ready to purchase the new iPhone 13. Here's some suggestions for you to consider. Tip 1. Use the Apple Card. The Apple Card is probably the most obvious choice for rewards. You can earn 3% on your purchase, so that's like $33 off your new iPhone. You can also purchase the new iPhone using a monthly installment plan where you can make equal payments over 24 months. There are no interest charges on the monthly installments, and you'll receive 3% cashback on the purchase price of the iPhone 13. The Apple Card offers 0 annual fees. You have cashback, account security. There's a seamless integration into your mobile wallet, and you have 24/7 support system. Tip 2. Use the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards. With this card, you'll earn 1.5% cash back, and that's less than the Apple Card. With the Capital One card, you can redeem those rewards in any amount whenever you need them the most. Opting for a statement credit, gift cards, or has credit for specific recent purchase. With the Capital One card, you can earn $200 cashback bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months after opening your account. There is also 0 annual fee with the Capital One. This card is excellent for Apple purchases in particular because it offers extended warranty coverage. If your iPhone 13 stops working after the Apple coverage has expired, the Capital One card team will step in and help. Tip 3. Use the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. If you're looking for a credit card that rewards with cash back, then this card might be a fine choice. You can get $200 in cash back for spending $500 in the first 3 months, and that's similar to the Capital One, but in addition to that, you can enjoy a 5% cash back on groceries. This will be helpful in offsetting the cost of the iPhone 13. Chase cardholders can earn up to 5% cash back on travel, 3% on dining and drugstore purchases, and 1.5% everywhere else. Even though you might earn higher rewards on purchases on other cards, for this card, the extra benefits that comes with it is worth considering. There is a 0 annual fee, 1-year-long extension on manufacturer's warranty, and all new purchases made with the card are covered against theft and damage for 120 days. So, if your iPhone 13 gets stolen, you might be able to get reimbursed for at least a portion of the cost. Tip 4. Use the Wells Fargo Propel card. This is one of the most versatile cashback credit cards. The Wells Fargo Propel American Express card offers cardholders points on all purchases involving dining, transportation, hotel stays. So essentially, there's something there for everyone. There is no limit on the points you can earn. The card offers a 90-day retail protection if your item is damaged or stolen, cell phone protection against theft or damage, and you also get 1 extra year of extended warranty. This makes the Wells Fargo Propel card an excellent choice for iPhone 13 buyers. The Wells Fargo card also has 0 annual fees. Tip 5. The last card on the list is the Platinum card from American Express. Although this has a $695 annual fee, I put this on the list because the Platinum card provides many excellent perks and even rewards for you on your purchases. With this card, it's worth looking into. All the travel values and purchase rewards keeps adding up. There are many benefits that come with the standard card which can help you to quickly recoup your cost. In addition to reward points for purchases, the card offers up to $200 a year in Uber credit, up to $100 annual credit in Saks Fifth Avenue, and 90 days of purchase protection for your iPhone 13 if it's damaged, lost, or stolen. I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button for more videos if you're interested in financial literacy, making money online, money management, becoming financially free. I'm Mr. MT, and I'm out.